डॉक्टर एडी आणि हांगा उपस्थित आमचे मिडिया पयर बी फाटीं आमी मिटींग घेतलेली. आतां ह्यान फुडें बी डॉक्टर उत्कर्श एक जाय आसलो. उत्कर्शाक जस्ट समबडी कॉल उत्कर्श. सो बेसिकली कितें जालां की आयज बी आमी असेसमेंट घेतलेले आसा आनी सेक्रेटरी आमची सकाळीं बी आमची मिटींग जाल्ली की आमकां कितें करूंक जाय आयजचे स्थितीन, आयजचे परिस्थितीन. गोंया राज्यान आमी पळयता की चड चड लोक भायलो गोंया राज्यान येवपाक लागल्या आनी हो ट्रेंड चालूच आसा. पूण त्याच बरोबर आमच्या राज्यान आमी आमचें राज्य कशें सेफ दवरपाचें आनी हे सगळें जर घेतलें लक्षांत की आमकां पावलां कशीं घेवपाची म्हणून आमी एक्सपर्ट कमिटीची मिटींग घेवन what we do is always take the views from the experts and we always interact with our team and take the views from the private doctors so that we are able to improve ourselves and correct our decisions whatever we need to take in order to deal with the pandemic COVID-19. All of you know, each person from the media knows and watches television. All of you all are pretty much knowledgeable about which states, what is happening, what is the trend in other states, how it is increasing. Today, as far as Goa is concerned, as we speak, we have got more than 2,057 active cases in the state of Goa. Dr. Utkarsh, correct me if some figures go wrong in the middle. And what we have stressed is that we need to increase the testing facility in the state of Goa. Further increase this testing. Secretary Health, Shri Ravi Dhawan, is also working on various modalities and other ways in which we can further increase the testing than what we have planned now. We are now placing an order for 3 machines which will be installed at Asilo Hospital in addition to what we have, Asilo, Hospicio and Goa Medical College. So it will increase by another 1,500 to 2,000 tests per day. So we are thinking of targeting, because there is a variation, we are thinking of targeting anything between 2,500 to 3,000 tests per day so that we are able to keep a control and understand the spread of COVID-19 in the state of Goa. The media's role is very important. We need to take precautions. We need to see that certain restrictions are put in place, but that will be decided by the Disaster Management Committee on what needs to be done. As far as from the health sector, what we need to in terms of enhancing our facilities that we have got. At the moment, we have got close to about 200 bed capacity in the South Goa District Hospital, and we are planning to, we have discussed in the morning also along with Secretary, myself, Dean and others. We are increasing the bed capacity in the South Goa District Hospital by another 300. In addition, there is a ICU facility already there. We are increasing the number of medical officers from DHS to be posted at the South Goa District Hospital so that we are able to start ITU facilities also in the South Goa District Hospital. Same time, ESIC hospital has been declared as a COVID care center, but I think we need to use it as a proper hospital. COVID care center concept, rather than calling it a separate COVID care center, this is my personal feeling, is what we used to run it earlier. Same way we can run it with the same patient handling staff and other things what they require, so that we are able to take care of the patients who are admitted in the ESI hospital. Now, as we speak, we are reaching full capacity, bed capacity in South Goa District Hospital as well in Goa Medical College. We have got hardly 10-15 beds remaining in Goa Medical College. We have got hardly some 15-20 beds remaining in South Goa District Hospital. So this is the situation as we speak. Every day we are getting admissions to about anywhere ranging between 30 and 40 admissions per day. And this is increasing, and we, as we discussed in the expert committee meeting, is that we feel that this will go higher, projected as per what Dr. Utkarsh has suggested to us during our discussion, that we need to see that all types of precautions are taken, and so that in case this is a further spike and if it crosses 300, then we should be ready in terms of all infrastructure that is required to deal with the pandemic COVID-19. Goa cannot remain insulated from other states, neighboring states, because we have got Maharashtra, which is peaking at a different level, more than last year. Karnataka, similar situation in other states, as a result of which we in Goa must, with our experience of the past, must have all the facilities in place, doctors in place, beds in place, so that last minute we don't have to run in different directions to deal with the pandemic COVID-19. Now, in view of these cases and number of patients admitted in Goa Medical College, number of patients admitted in South Goa District Hospitals, and all our doctors and team here who are here are doing an excellent job in dealing with the patients. And we are also trying to put in place and see that all the tests that were earlier not available in Goa Medical College, such as IL-6 and D-dimer, these are made available to the patients in our facility. Because with this, we are, to a great extent, if the labs and other things of the patients are done in a very thorough manner, then we can overcome the cytokine storm and we are able to deal with the patient and we are able to save more lives. We are able to deal with the patient and see that at the right time, remdesivir is also given to the patient. There are several things that we have learned from the COVID pandemic 19 in the last 1 year, but now again we are seeing that there are rise in cases. Dean, secretary, myself, secretary, on my side has been fully authorized. Whatever secretary decides will be taken into consideration now and acted upon by the government. I have put my faith in Secretary Mr. Ravi Dhawan so that he has independent charge of dealing with whatever decisions he needs to take at whatever level he needs to take, so that we are able to, as a team, we are all here as a team. There is no minister, there is no secretary, there is no doctor. Everybody has to work as a team. Each one has to contribute to see what best we can do to fight the pandemic COVID-19. And we want that Goa, the pandemic remains under control. We know that there are a lot of tourists and other people coming into the state of Goa. There was somewhere a suggestion, even travelers coming in, because we find a lot of people coming from Brazil to Portugal and indirectly into Goa. But so far we have not found any travelers who have died because of the pandemic in the state of Goa. So that was one concern which we need to keep a watch on. It's a point that has to be noted and we have to watch it. Tracking of people from where they came, what happened, all this also has to be done. And in addition, with this IL-6 and D-dimer being made available from this week, immediately I think from tomorrow we are starting D-dimer. Within 2-3 days we will be starting IL-6 both in South Goa District Hospital and in Goa Medical College. And I also want to share with you, many times media asks us whether what strain is it. आम्ही जे 15 टेस्ट धाडलेले हांगा NIV ते आमच्याकडे आतापर्यंत रिपोर्ट येवंक ना. आमच्याकडे रिपोर्ट ना तेजो. And म्हणून आम्ही एक्सप्लोर करता पॉसिबिलिटी. हांवें सांगला डीनाक and we have also, secretary myself, we will explore possibility, because it's not easy. It is easy to, in a media press conference, to just say something, but it is not easy. That genome testing म्हणता ते कशे implement आम्ही करू शकता. Now we can tie up with somebody, because NIV is the only place which we are doing, and we have got a beautiful virology lab which Dean says is already commissioned. And basically हांगा जर आमकां करू शकता, इक्विपमेंटाक कमीत कमी 1.5 कोटी लागता, पण त्याच्या खातीर चलोवपाक आमकां त्या तरेचे एक्सपर्ट्स लागता. ह्यो एक्सपर्ट्स अवेलेबल आहा काय ना हे सगळे डीन विल examine and put it to the government before the next expert committee meeting. And if it is to spend 1.5 crores of rupees and to get this genome testing here so that we know what type of strain we are dealing with in the state of Goa, there is no harm in exploring the possibility. And also workability, functionality of such a lab is also important. It's not only purchasing the equipment, it's also to see whether we are able to run it. So Dean will explore and report to Secretary exactly how we need to move forward. Now looking at this, we are all peaceful at the moment. But here suddenly we find that bed capacity is getting full. As we speak, we have got 10 patients on the trolley in Goa Medical College having COVID positive, who are COVID positive. So this is the situation at the moment. Otherwise tomorrow you will say, somebody will put a photograph in the newspaper that there are 10 people or there are 5 people. That is the situation. Bed capacity is getting full, and it's getting full by the day. Hence it is very important for all of us to be careful. Social distancing as well as wearing masks in a proper fashion is a must. In addition to this, we have to also see and emphasize through the media mass vaccination, what is being done. Somebody put a photograph. We have not shut down any center. We have only shifted the center in Goa Medical College. Earlier it was in a lecture hall where we had used and we had made the whole facility there. But since there are examinations and other things being held, we needed to use that, but the facility is there. I have mentioned to Dean, I have sent an email also that the facility in Goa Medical College must be a state-of-art facility, and they will do it. What they are doing, they already have a facility in place. In addition,